Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Linux. So, in order to install Visual Studio Code on Linux, we have to open our browser and go to the official Visual Studio Code site in order to find instruction how to do it. So, we have to wait a bit, and right now we can type in VS Code for Linux and press enter. As you can see, we have the first site, the official Visual Studio Code site, which is Visual Studio Code on Linux. We will press on that, and right now we have the whole guide how to do it. First of all, we have to download and install Visual Studio for Linux distribution, of course, and here we have the instruction. The first step, the easiest way to install Visual Studio Code for Debian Ubuntu. We are doing it on Debian on Ubuntu, so it will work for us. You can do it if you have, for example, the other distribution, for example Fedora. You have to use this section. You can use Snap, you can use OpenSUSE, you can use whatever you want, but I will show it on the Ubuntu distribution. So first of all, we have to download and install this package. So I will now download it, and as you can see, it is downloading 109 megabytes. So our download is completed, and right now we have to go into terminal and type in the command like this: sudo apt install, and then run our package that we downloaded a second before. So I will go into terminal and I will type in exactly the same thing that is written here. So sudo apt install, but not now, because we have to first of all find this package, because it's not here. So we have to move to the downloads. So you can fill it with tab on your keyboard, and right there is our package.deb. This is the left one, not the Discord one. So right here we have to type in sudo apt install / and code. For example, you can write code and press tab on your keyboard and fill it basically without needing to write this random numbers and letters. And now you can press enter. Of course, we have to type in our password, and right now we can move to this to the other steps. We have the step number 2 and number 3, and 99% we will not have to do these steps, because when you install the deb package, it prompts you to install the app repository and signing in to enable auto uploading using the system package manager. So this is installed by automatically by during the installation. If you, for example, I will show you in a moment, as you can see, add Microsoft app repository for Visual Studio. If you press no, you have to add this manually, so the second step and the first step manually. If you press yes, you can skip the second part and the third part, so it is a lot of easier, because as you can see, you have to copy a lot of weird things that might be hard to understand, but it's a lot of easier to just press yes. So we press enter, and we have to wait till the end of the installation. As you can see, it is installed. We can close that. We can close our browser, because it will be not needed anymore. And as you can see, in our apps we have Visual Studio Code icon. We can press on it and we can open it, and as you can see, we have the Visual Studio. We can use it, we can do just whatever we want with it. So that's basically all in this video. This is how you can easily install Visual Studio Code on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.